Just doing a little video on the Great Wall Motors Cannon X rear tailgate central locking system. We're going to put an automatic one in. So this is the instruction manual they give you. It's from HSP, not sponsored by this company in any way. So it's for the central locking for the tailgate. I've already got the step down, starting to take some of these screws out. That's the wiring harness. So this is the one that's actual plug and play. You don't have to cut into any wires. There it is, just there. We'll be putting that in today. So we're taking the top off now with the screws. We pop the two in here, the two plastic lugs. So we'll take this plastic part out. Later on we have to put, there's a piece of foam there. We've got to put it across the two middle holes there. I've disconnected the wire arm out of the plastic part there on each side. So there's the other one just there. And now I've got to take this bolt out and then keep the washer and the bolt, and take this part off and take the plastic clips off to fit onto the other part that's in my pack that came. So now you can see I've connected the electronic part. They come in two parts. There was this part here you had to put down and put the spring back on, then put this part you had to build back. So put this part onto the actual actuator, the motor, and this is where the plug will plug in. Put the wires back in. I can still use it without it being wired in, so that's no problem. Now I just got to put the wire in, and I'll try to show you parts of that. It's all in there now. The wire goes down. Claire came back and helped me out. We just bodgy wired it up inside so that we can open, locked. Now we just got to put it in there, cut a little hole, watch the wires, push it through. You can see where it plugs in right up in there. It's in the door jamb, right in that hole there. So it's hard to get in and hard to get to. No matter what they tell you, it is hard. You need small, tiny hands to get in there, and you need two hands for the clips. It's just ridiculous. Just buy the other one. Down from the bottom there, up. And now take the air filter off so we could get in there. Pop the hole in it, put it through, silicone it up later.